This is India's best real experience.
Absolutely.
That's what I'll say. Beyond
Absolutely.
movies, beyond media.
Absolutely. And
Right now, there's a live event culture. I hope after this, people come and like experience
they
this
should.
live event.
They should.
Documenting stories of science, spirituality, history, fitness, business, life skills, sports, pop culture, only on Life of Beer Biceps.
You've grown up here, so this documentary is going to go out to a lot of people all over the world. Uh, what do you want the world to know about this city, man? And this is 31 years of life speaking.
Absolutely. I think what I want to show to the world is that be it whatever happened in the world during Durga Puja, everyone comes together. No matter who you are, rich, poor, girl, boy, transgender, man, female, nobody cares. Everyone is under the shadow of Ma Durga. And I think that is the beauty of Calcutta. You know, कि, and art, what better way to bring people together, you see? And it's not that we are only celebrating beauty or we are only celebrating good things. There are also, current affairs which are ill issues of the country, of other parts of the world, which we showcase in these pandals. There are pandals which are showcasing issues in Palestine, for example. There are pandals which are showcasing rape incidents happening all over the world. There are pandals showcasing, all the terror in the Northeast, for example. On the same hand, there are also pandals showcasing the beauty that a mother and a child have. The beauty of a brother and sister. Something as simple as Shikumar Rai's poetry, for example, which takes us back to childhood. Something as beautiful as tea. Something that has, brought the world together. And Calcutta is a very important place for cha, because this is really where the British took tea to the global world. And if you notice out here, they have portrayed images of different politicians, different famous pictures of people talking, chatting over a cup of tea. So while they show that why like a cup of tea is such a nice catalyst for people to come together, I think Durga Puja, these pandals are also a very important catalyst for people to come together.
There's a Durga Ma statue there. There is all this art here. I was actually going to say that this is so therapeutic just sitting here.
Absolutely.
And I was thinking, why is this so therapeutic? Why is it so nice being here?
I think what has happened is over the years, Durga Puja has really transformed from a religious Durga Ma ka puja to a street art festival. And abhi, at times it was only the visual thing. उसके बाद lighting आया, उसके बाद soundscapes आए, उसके बाद experiences आए. बहुत सारे दुर्गा पूजा पंडाल से जहाँ पर आप देखोगे कि लाइव लोग नाटक कर रहे हैं. They will come, they will touch you. तो वो experience जैसे मूवी का evolution हुआ 2D से 3D, 3D से 4D. I think दुर्गा पूजा का भी evolution ऐसे ही होता रहा. और next 3-4 साल में ये कहाँ जाएगा मुझे भी नहीं पता, but I'm very excited. And every year, I think the moment Dashubi comes, the last day, हम लोग दुर्गा माँ को विदाई देते हैं पानी में. The next minute, we are like, what are the plans for next year now? 366 days to Durga Puja. The countdown starts from there. That is how hyped and that is how, close and affectionate we are for this time of the year. I'm generally very emotional, but लोगों को express करने का मौका नहीं मिलता है because we are all on the same page about it. But when someone asks, I think you're getting so emotional about things that it's difficult to put things in words. कि मैं कैसे feel करता हूँ यार. This is beyond that. It's not like मैं बहुत अच्छा feel कर रहा हूँ यार. What I feel is this is my city. And the fact that आपने अभी बोला कि Universal Studios and all these things, the fact that my city has done something which can compete with something as amazing as Universal Studios is what makes me feel so amazing, so emotional and so proud of the city I belong to.
This is India's best real experience.
Absolutely.
That's what I'll say.
Absolutely.
Beyond movies, beyond media.
Absolutely.
And right now there's a live event culture. I hope after this people come and like experience
They
this
should.
live event.
They should. And more than that, free. I think that's a very important part because there's a big conversation around how art is only for the elite. There are conversations around it. But then Durga Puja ke time,
For everyone.
माँ का द्वार सबके लिए खुला है.